Hello everyone, today we're playing Galaxy Space, or as you know is Galacticraft. Let me create a world first. I'm pretty much be showing like what the mod's like, and if you're wondering and you want to know, this is 1.12.2, so it's a pretty old version, but it's an amazing mod. It's just trust me, it's really cool. I mean, the Minecraft looks so old in this mod. Actually, I want to know a fact. I started playing Minecraft when I was like during like 1.16, I think. Yeah, I was pretty sure it was 1.16, another update. It's not really OG with Minecraft, but I have played for a bit. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm posting this actually, because I might cancel recording them, or I ask someone they want to record me. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna get to the mod immediately. I'm gonna pretty much be exploring planets, not explain these blocks. If you want to explain these things and explain to you, yeah, you can watch another video. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna I'm just gonna go to space. Okay, this is a tier 3 is not good. Okay, I need the better ones. Where are the better ones again? I forgot. Crap. I forgot where the better ones were. Where are they? Oh, I'm blind. Okay, we're not doing tier 4, we're doing tier 6. Creative only. And we're gonna go to our first planet. And I'm not fully sure what planet we're going to first. Okay, it's gonna be really cool when we leave the planet, though. Blast off. Yes, trust me, it's gonna be really cool when we leave the planet. See? This is cool, right? Please tell me this is cool. This is actually pretty cool. See the Earth above you? Okay, we are gonna enter the menu. Okay, well, this is what we have to go to. What should we go to first? Mercury, Venus, or the Moon? Well, I have to pick because no one's really gonna give me an answer. Most of the comments, but like when I post this video, come on, you get it right. I'm just gonna go to Mercury first. Yeah, I'm just doing Mercury first. And I'm in creative mode. I'm not gonna get any special suits because I don't need to. Because I don't want to. Because I'm lazy. Okay, I just crashed down. An orb or something. Get me out. Okay, so the sun looks like from far. It looks white because there's no atmosphere. So the sun's actually white. Also, Mercury's gravity isn't that strong, so that's taking a while to go back to the ground. And then there's Venus. And then the sun. And other galaxies. I wonder if I can see Earth from here. Probably not. And I can see Venus from here. See that little, there. I'm not sure how you zoom in. Can you zoom in? That's F1. Can't really do anything. Oh yeah, you can't hear anything because there's no sound in space. I thought there was sound on planets still. I don't know fully. Dang. What is it I need for listening to sea sound? A frequency module. Here, let me search up a frequency module. Can I just put it on like an armor? Okay, there. See, now you can actually hear things. So that means you can't hear things on Mars. Oops, I mixed this up on Mars. It's actually Mercury. It's like a meteor crashed here. The surface terrain really looks like that. Don't see any blocks or like little blocks around. Yeah, this is Mercury, kind of boring to be honest. It's a plain, no atmosphere, dead, hot planet. Not the best planet to be on. Mercury stone, Mercury subsurface rock. Let's dig deeper to bedrock. What was that? It's like a big material. I don't know what that material was. Okay, it's different. Nickel ore has nickel in it. That best out to make it have a magnetic field. I don't know. I've been the best at this stuff. Actually, that's wrong. I'm actually the best at this stuff. I am kind of big brain with space. Oh yeah, we're under the planet. Oh wait, I forgot you take damage in creative mode on Java Edition. And I just lost all my items. Dude. That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna need a frequency module again because I can't hear anymore. There. And if you're hearing fireworks, the school next to me, which I'm not stating because that's technically revealing like close location to my house, which I'm not, so that's why I'm not saying. The school next to me is a high school, and they're doing a homecoming football thing, so they're using fireworks, which is kind of loud. So you're hearing that with the microphone. That's what it is. Oh, crap! I don't have the creative rocket. Okay. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Lost off. Finally leaving Mercury. I'm heading to Venus next. Venus is right here. And let's go to it. And one else fact, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Such a nerdy fact. High atmospheric pressure. I'm like creative mode, so I'm fine. Yeah, 180 Celsius is pretty much maybe 900 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's no average temperature of Venus, so I expect that. There's all the clouds. Venus mostly is hot because thick atmosphere. I feel like it's gonna be a scientific video, which is not supposed to be. It's supposed to be a Minecraft video exploring a mod. Fun fact: the acid rain dissolves before hitting the surface. You see, that will happen right now. I think they updated this mod because I think it didn't used to do this before, and so a YouTuber corrected them, and they might have fixed it. I don't know. You see, this is what the atmosphere looks like. So it's just pretty much thick atmosphere, lava, some weird stone. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Pumice. What should I do to this block? I set the gravity a bit more stronger because Uranus is pretty similar to size to Earth, but like only a tiny bit smaller. I'm not sure why its size is weird. Wait, imagine trying to like defeat the game on other planet. That'd probably be really hard because they don't have everything from the overworld. Probably can't even find the end strong at all. Probably can't even find obsidian here. Because I bet you right now if I try to place it on water, it'll dissolve. Like how it does in the Nether. See? You can't even get placed down on Venus. It's too hot. It literally dissolves. I could just do 2 block jumps. Oh, 3 block jumps. No. 2 block jumps I can do. Let's try this. Oh, that's running away. Dude. Yeah, it dissolves. It didn't work. Water's lame. Wait, what if we just piss on ice? Packed ice. Let's try that. Yeah. Does packed ice even melt? Might be stupid. Oh, this is other planet ice. It doesn't melt, then it's kind of crazy. Because it's on the hottest planet in the solar system. And in the why Venus is hotter than Mercury and the Mercury's close to the sun is because Venus has thick atmosphere. Actually, where even is the sun? No, I'm messing up blast off. And head to the moon next. To be honest, the moon's kind of like Mercury, but not hot. Because it has no atmosphere. And also because it's small too. It'll make it easier to see the sun. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And the boss stop. Shit. Crap. I broke my rocket. An accident. Oh, it's acid rain again. So hard to do this in F5 mode. I can't do this in F5 mode. I don't want to change because I'm too lazy. There. It's like 20 seconds now. It's just taking forever. Okay, there's the sun right there. It's so dim because of the atmosphere. Okay. Come on. There. Let's go onto the overworld. The moon. Launch. Here's the moon. And there's Earth. Or as we know it, overworld. Oops. I forgot to slow that thing down. Now it came down and crashed onto the moon surface and exploded. What up? Moon's gravity's really how do I say it? Weak. So my shot the best. I have a gonna be on. Oh yeah. Moon turf. This is moon dirt. And what's this? Moon rock. But what's this? Moon dirt. Oh. I'm gonna try to study the surfaces of it. Okay. What else can we see? Alien village. To be honest, this is not realistic. You do not see stuff on this moon. You do not see this on the moon. This ain't realistic, okay? So don't start thinking that yes, there's a moon village on the moon. That's thinking stupid. Trust me. This does not exist. At least not that we know of. And there's no moon villagers on the moon. Trust me on this. This is not on the moon. It's on Minecraft moon. I don't have glowstone torches in my inventory. This is called being stupid. What else do we have here? The forest. I'll go back to it. So I saw other village over here. Yeah. There it is. Well, if I just blow this up. No, go down. There. Too bad so sad for you guys. Why did I get launched away? It's a bit different on the moon. Now, let's put lever here and do redstone at the night at the same time. I don't know why I want it at night at the same time. Huh? Oh. Okay, that's cool. Depends it actually nights. Doesn't. That's sad. I gotta fix it now. It's so quick. Yeah. This is not gonna work. And why? It's because. Wait a minute. Why? It's because I'm not answering that. It's obvious. I need to fix it. What if I just. I know I'm technically wasting time right now. I am. I should be going to another planet like Mars. Okay, the only problem is this one right here. This TNT right there. Which I'm just gonna create something like this. And then see here. Redstone going up like this, and then boom. Now look at this. All of them ignited. Boom to the moon house. I feel like I'm sounding so ridiculous for some reason. I don't know why. I was pretty much bored and I had nothing to do. That's what I'm acting like. I actually had something to do. Go to Mars. I'm not doing that for some reason. I'll go now to Mars. I don't know what I'm doing for some reason. Dude. Why is it not placed in there? I don't know why. Oh yeah, it's, footprints. It's footprints this game. Well, of course, I mean, like, on the moon. That was a meteor. And I'm gonna check it out because I'm interested. If I just get like go survival, use a pickaxe. Yeah, let me try that. My start a firework again. Okay, slash game mode S. Wait. Crap. I forgot about that. Come on, let's get this first. Let me get it first. Actually, supposed to die faster than this. I think came out of it. Well. Come on. We can do this. Alien villager. Okay, cooked. But why is the guy sitting right next to the rocket ship? I need to do this. For random reasons. I need to do that. Okay, let's go to Mars. Oh, you can go to its asteroid moon. That's cool. I didn't know that you can do that. Let's go to its asteroid moon first, called Phobos. I kind of got a realistic image of them. It's funny. The Mars and the other planets are just like Minecraft pixels. Yeah. There's dope name over there. Oops. That's too bad for that thing. It's gonna explode on the surface. I already did. Whoa. Okay, I'm mining now. What if I just like, because the house, this moon's really small. Okay? This moon's really small. So I'm gonna try going to the other side of it. So take a bit. It's getting brighter. It means it's working. This is taking so long. I'm not sure if this is actually working. It's probably beta as the overworld. To be honest. Well, I'm stopping here. You went far enough, and now we're done. I just said. Mars looks kind of cool from here. Kind of seems like we're crashing into Mars. Be cool. We just crashed into Mars. Actually, that kind of cool. Watching ourselves from this asteroid crashing into Mars. Be cool seeing Mars take up most of the sky. But they take up all this part, and then we'll start statistically we're getting pulled into Mars' surface, and like acting like this seems like a wall we're falling down from. And then we'll crash into Mars, devastating force, killing you immediately because you're stupid. Yeah. I'm gonna leave for a second. Oh, dang. Sorry about the blast off when I came in. Here we go. Now we're actually going to Mars. Launch. And entered thin atmosphere it has. But I'm still in here. There. Oh, why the chunk's not really loading? I see my game is breaking. And my computer's pretty good. Okay. I don't know why it's like literally breaking. To be honest, Mars is kind of like a barren, boring place. What is this? Is this an asteroid? Blue Simon. Okay, it's not real, everyone. It's not real. Okay, there's no eggs on Mars. Well, recently NASA made an announcement of how they found biological life on Mars. The rovers found some evidence of biological life, like microscopic organisms. But this is not exist on Mars. All fake, 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 fake. No, get out of my hand, get out of my hand. Die, you stupid. It's glitching. Die. Do not look at this, okay? It's not real. Yeah. Fire actually works on this planet, because it's not hot as Venus or Mercury. But it could freeze up because this place is kind of cold. Which I'm not sure why it's not freezing up right now. It's freezing up pretty fast. Also, this planet's boring and barren. You would agree. It's pretty boring. So, but it takes so long to do this. I don't like doing this. Let's leave this horrible planet. Mars, not the best planet to be on. Okay? Get in. I'm not sure why I did that. Alright, leaving Mars. And next we're going to Jupiter, which does not make sense because you can't land on Jupiter, that's why we're going to its moons. Okay, all these moons are available. This is the biggest moon in the solar system. We didn't know. Bigger than Mercury. We didn't know. Yeah. And this is almost like Ganymede, but smaller than Mercury. Io is a bit smaller than Callisto, and Europa is pretty small. But they're the four biggest moons of Jupiter. The rest of them are mostly like asteroids and stuff. Let's go to the biggest one first, Ganymede. It's pretty interesting to go to. There's Jupiter. Lady on Ganymede. Okay. My fire slow down. Yeah, there's ice on here. Dry ice. Because they all have water on their surfaces. Pretty common for moons to have water on their surfaces. Which means moons can have life. If they warm it up enough. It's too cold for them to really have life. That's the only problem. And the atmospheres too. I'm pretty sure Ganymede has a bit of oxygen in the atmosphere, but it isn't like it has anything in its atmosphere. Dry ice. Pretty seeming cool. Well, at the end of this video, we'll go to Venus and try putting dry ice on it and see if it melts or anything. And yeah. If you're wondering if we want to try doing something like parkour here, this is it. That has to be hard. But I will make a parkour on Ganymede because it's gonna be interesting. I'm not good at Neos, but I might be getting a hang of it. And these jumps are too easy. Not. And then. Okay. If we make it to the ice, then. We win. Yeah. So let's try this. I might suck badly at this. Mostly because of the gravity here. Okay. Neos. I think I'm kind of cheating on that. Look at this. Let's make this harder. You cannot jump over that, right? Yeah. I can't jump over that. Let me go over here first. Technically, I was cheating because technically I didn't go over that. Wait a minute. Oh my. Dude. I'm not sure I was able to do that before. Maybe because I was only doing this. That's probably what I was doing. Okay, now we can't jump over this, right? We can't. We can do it easily, because the gravity. And these jumps too. See, I literally jumped over this thing. The gravity on here makes it so easy to do parkour. Almost too easy. See. I kind of went in the creative mode. Well, kind of was flying in creative mode for that part right there. It went so high. But I did not use creative mode for any of the parkour. I did not cheat. I don't cheat. The thing is, the planet cheated because the planet made me jump over the Neo almost. Yeah. Not my fault. It's planet's fault. It's not my fault I can cheat Neos on this planet, okay? It's my fault, not my fault. Okay. Now, let's go to. Actually, do we even want to go to any of the moons? Make this process longer. I don't want this video being too long. Because less people will watch it because they get bored. Which is probably what I would do right now if I was watching this myself. So let's hurry this up, and I'll try to do something fun at the end of the video. If you don't want to watch this part, just skip to the end. This fun part might do. Now let's leave to Io next, and then we'll go to Europa and then Callisto. Okay, we're gonna go to Io, the yellow moon. Just kind of weird. That's yellow. It's a weird moon. Weird gases in its atmosphere too. Where is its atmosphere? I'm pretty sure it has some weird atmosphere. Also, what the hell is this? It's over. And this is not exist, okay? Well, in Minecraft, but this does not actually exist. There's some mobs wearing spacesuits trying us around here. And its prison spire has green eyes. I do not have an explanation to that. And this is what? That's iron stone, but I'm looking for the liquid. What the hell type of liquid is this? Bucket. Oh. That's nice. Probably acid. Mobs dying to it. And some lava activity on here. It's a pretty volcanic planet, maybe. Okay. Let's try something. I'm gonna, blow up its surface. Because I'm bored and want to do something. That seems fun. Okay. Okay. They just put the balance TNT down. Playing so much. And let's blow up the surface, and then we're destroying Io. It'll destroy Io. Totally. Totally. Probably won't. To be honest. Because it's trying to blow up the overworld because they're pretty sure the exact same size. Just make it seem like they're smaller. But they're probably not actually. They're not doing much. This is so boring on Io. Io is literally just a hellscape. Which is not. Because it's cold. There's stuff like lava here. I just hear Enderman. Well, either way, I'm gonna test something. Just phonics, right? Can zombies live on a planet without oxygen? And how cold it is, too. Oh, they can. They're dying. They can't leave here, Chris, stupid. Okay, how about Blaze? Oh, Blaze is an old version, dude. That did take a while to fall. I'm sure dying. They have fire cycle going off. I don't see any fire around it. Maybe that's because it's in the old version. I don't really know. Or it's because it's too cold. Rotten flesh. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's freezing up. Interesting. Interesting. Either way, we're leaving this planet now. I'm gonna head to Europa now. And trust me, we're getting some good planets later on. Like Uranus. And Saturn. And Neptune. But Uranus is probably the best one. This one you get it, Uranus. Because Uranus is the best. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this planet. Actually, I think Io is pretty close to Jupiter. Anyway, I want to leave now. So, rocket ship needs to leave. And it's so loud I barely hear myself. Okay, we have liftoff. Okay, we're going to Europa now. Okay, let's ignite on Europa because you can't see the sun. I keep forgetting to turn on, like, slow down that thing. And what the hell? Is that a Tyrevian or something? Anyways, besides, it's supposed to be made out of ice because it's cold as fudge. Man, it has pretty much just actual water ice, and this is not this This does not exist, okay? This does not exist at all. It's just Minecraft stuff, okay? It's fake. You're fake. Entirely fake. I'm blowing you up now. Get out of my face. You're fake. You're fake. You're completely fake. You're completely fake. Stop. There. And the surface is Europa surface ice. Wait, is it ice? I'm pretty sure it's not ice, right? Please look at this for a second. Look at these brown blocks. And tell me this is ice. I need to get, like, put in the comment section if you think this brown stuff right here is ice. So I'm pretty sure it's not ice. I swear that ain't ice. Either way, this planet again is boring. Because there's absolutely nothing to do. Jupiter looks cool from a distance, but there's better planets from a distance. And there's Tyrevians here. It's kind of weird surfaces. Here, actually, you know what? We could just look at the surface pattern. So it looks kind of interesting. Because you don't normally see this every day in Overworld. It's actually pretty interesting and cool. Like, look at this. Tell me this ain't cool. Oh. What ain't cool about this? The gravity. And then we got a smooth surface over here for a while. Which white ice for a while. I'm waiting for the sun to come up. The sun's not coming up at all. Okay. Actually, it's like craters or like sinkholes that formed on the planet. Then there's more of this stuff right here. And fake ice. And fake mobs. Which do not exist on Europa, actually. They don't exist. Trust me. No, actually, I'm gonna leave now because we can agree that this planet is kind of boring, but the surface pattern is kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. This gravity is horrid. I swear, dude, I can't deal with this gravity. I'm just not jumping at all because it's literally just horrible. No, we'll just leave. Next, Callisto, and then we're leaving. Okay. Callisto, and I think the surface would be pretty cool. It looks like the planet looks like an iron ore for some reason. Kinda. Not really. I'm getting out of this thing. I don't want to be in here. Whoa. This like dry ice again. Yeah, dry ice. Callisto stone. What is this? Callisto surface rock. My main question is, what is pink stuff? Oxygen ice. I'm pretty sure oxygen doesn't come pink. I'm pretty sure oxygen ice is not pink. Oh, I'm gonna look it up later. I'm getting pinged a lot on Discord. Okay, I might look it up in a second. I might look it up at the end of the video. Okay, and we can agree that we want to leave Jupiter's moons now, right? I expect you're saying right. We have the dwarf. Shit. You skip this part. Yes, skip this part right now. Skip until I blast off. It's an OP idea for you to do. Trust me. Because this will take a bit. May take a minute. Or less. Okay, next is Saturn's moons. And then will be Uranus's moons. And then Neptune's moons. I think a meteor just struck. That was definitely a meteor. And also, another fact, why we're not landing on the gas planets themselves is because we can't. It's literally mostly gas. The whole surface. Well, the core, but like, you don't only want to land there, because I'm pretty sure the first layer of Jupiter's core is an ocean. Not our ocean, not like our ocean. It's like a ammonia ocean. Yeah, ammonia type of something in the periodic table. I'm acting so nerdy right now. I know too much. Okay, luckily Saturn we're only going to 2 moons. The other moons are not available because they're not available. Titan, the second biggest moon, almost as big as Mercury, just maybe 100 miles smaller. And the fun thing is, Titan's also bigger than Mercury, and it has a similar denseness in the atmosphere. And it seems pretty similar to Earth, but it's technically not, because oceans are nowhere near like Earth. Its atmosphere is so ugh. And also the temperature, negative 177 degrees Celsius. And also it's not possible, not like this. Just horrible Minecraft loading in chunks. It's so bad. All this did not exist. But fun fact, Titan is something in the Lord of the Rings. I think they use this like it's hard to explain. But Titan's like something in the Lord of the Rings. Or maybe not Lord of the Rings. I don't know. I'm mixing up so much stuff right now, but I know like they use Titan as something in the Lord of the Rings. I think. I don't know. You can search it up. I don't really know. It could be something else. It could be Harry Potter, for all I know. I'm not sure I know anything I'm saying. Either way, we'll leave Titan because it's the best. But there's Saturn over there. Saturn looks pretty cool. Trust me, Uranus look better from far. I'm being for real though. I'm actually being for real. I'm not making a joke. It's actually looks so good from far. But yeah, Uranus is pretty cool. It's scientific and a joke. It technically is cool because it's temperature. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. But the hottest planet, that don't make sense because Uranus is hot. Get it? I sound so weird saying this. I'm not gonna talk anymore about Uranus. And I don't really want to go to Saturn, even though it's raining. It's not actual raining, like water. It's not. It's just like surface material. I'm not surface material, I'm like atmosphere rain type of thing. It's hard to explain. It's like the oceans are not really water. Enceladus, an ice moon, mostly ice. It might be dry ice, which is I'm not sure what else it has in it. Like it has like oxygen in it, or like actual water ice. Saturn doesn't look like much from here because sunlight and junk. I had Titan knocked on me earlier. Like I had before. It's Alice ice. It is actual ice, I think. Packed ice. See, mostly ice. Then you get actual surface rock or subsurface rock. Pretty sure it's not subsurface rock. It is actually. It's just that it's a big ice layer there. Whoa, where is its rock though? Is it all bedrock? That's the main thing. I don't know. And then let me leave here. There's a surface rock change. No, it doesn't. All packed ice. Ice in this chunk. Okay, we're leaving immediately because it's so boring here. You would agree? You would agree? I want to go to Uranus now. We're leaving to Uranus. Let's go. Uranus up next. Let's go. And also, I might know this. Saturn has the biggest ring in the solar system. But you may not know that Saturn's not the only planet in rings. Uranus has the second biggest rings. And Neptune has rings, but they're not really visible. But when you get close up to Neptune, you'll see them. They're pretty cool. And Jupiter, it has rings, but you can't see them. It has like one ring, I think. Or me too, I don't know. Probably has more than that. But the thing is, you can barely even see it because it's so thin, not much in it. Want to see rings? Go to Saturn. I should go to Saturn because it's not possible. Can it show me the moons? No, I can't see the moons. Oh. Okay, this is the only moon you can go to. Actually, I already went to one of Uranus's moons. To be for real. I went to this moon like before when I wasn't even recording a video at all. So we're technically going to a place that I already went to before. And see, Uranus rings. I'm saying Uranus now because I don't want to say Uranus. Another way to say Uranus is Uranus. because it's a better way. Also, it looks pretty cool. You have to agree with me. Look at this, dude. I'm taking screenshots. I take a screenshot on my computer. Wait a minute. Okay? You skip this part. I don't do editing on my air because I don't know how to edit. And I'm too lazy to try, sadly. There, beautiful screenshots. Whoa. Amazing. This could be a good thumbnail. This could be a good thumbnail. Trust me. Amazing thumbnail. I took a lot. You could agree with that. Let's leave, because I know Uranus is amazing, but like, what is there to do? I'm not beating the game. It's probably possible to do that in this place. Because there's no structures. And also, because I don't want to make this video a being the game type of video. So I don't want to do that, okay? Without being a game in this video. It's literally a mod exploration game. We're exploring the planets and moons. That's it. Dude, I can't help stop looking at Uranus, dude. Uranus. Yeah, Uranus. It just looks so cool. Look at it, dude. It's so amazing. It's just like something like you would see out of a movie. And next we're going to Neptune. And only one of its moons are available. It doesn't have 2 moons, okay? It has more moons, just to show them that. Let's see. Uranus and Triton. You know what I'm saying? It's so accurate because this is how Triton orbits. Opposite direction from other moons. Because it was picked up from the Kuiper Belt, because Triton was a dwarf planet. I took it from the Kuiper Belt and started rotating around Neptune. Neptune stole it, pretty much. Sorry, take Triton. Man, forced to go in a weird orbital type thing. It's orbiting weird. I did not go to the asteroid belt. I'll do that at the end of the video. I've been saying I'm doing so much stuff at the end of the video. I'll find a way to organize it, but I don't really know yet. Now I'm planning to start actually editing my videos soon. I will. The making videos are actually edited. Trust me, I will get to that point. But right now, most of these videos I'm making right now are not going to be edited because I don't really have editing software. I don't really know how to edit. So yeah, I'll do it soon though. I'll do it soon. I'll try it out soon. And try editing and might make it good. Okay, so what moon are we on again? It's Triton, right? Yeah, Triton's not really livable. And you can't snip and drink because this mod does not have it, sadly. And the sun, really, small. From far. And the Neptune, I think Triton has a bit of atmosphere. If you could really breathe in. I think Triton's actually maybe one of the coldest moons plus planets. The moons and planets which are cold. Triton will be on that list of 2nd place, I think. Oh, maybe 3rd place. I don't know. Neptune is also really cool too. And fun fact, just because Jupiter has the biggest hurricane, I think. Maybe it's Saturn, but I think Saturn has something in top its North Pole. I don't know. I'll probably think of something on the internet. But Neptune has the most strongest winds. Also has a hurricane. That little darker spot right there is a hurricane. Just like Jupiter, but smaller. But also it's probably stronger too. That's one thing. And these hurricanes are nothing compared to hurricanes we get here. Strongest hurricane we have here? Well, I'm pretty sure this hurricane is definitely bigger than any other hurricanes we had here on Earth. Bigger than and stronger than the strongest hurricane we've had here on Earth. Anyway, now going to most people's favorite quote planet quote. Okay, people want Pluto. If people say Pluto is a planet, they really want to. I still like it because Pluto used to be a planet until it got demoted from the planet club. They got rid of it because its size. It was really small. It's smaller than the moon. And I actually agree with that. Because I don't think that Pluto should be a planet because it's insane size. It's just too small. That's what I personally think. I just don't get why people think it should be a planet. Because its size is so, like, no. Also, its orbit's kind of weird, too. That's one reason. Its orbit's kind of, how do I say it? Entering the Kuiper Belt and leaving the Kuiper Belt. Like, intersecting with Neptune's orbit. You see? Neptune's orbit right here. Pluto's orbit. You see? There. So, maybe next, not next time, but like sometime from now, Neptune will pull in Pluto from around here. Probably. It will land on Pluto now, because, we'll go next planet. Also, it's not the planet we're landing on. That everything we're seeing there is an image of Venus for some reason. I'm not sure why. Also, Charon does not orbit around Pluto. They orbit around each other. But, Charon is smaller. That's Charon. Okay. Charon's smaller, but they orbit around each other. But, also, it's like a binary orbit. They orbit around each other, but it's like, Pluto. It doesn't fully rotate around it. It just gets moved, like pulled on by. It's hard to explain. But it is binary orbit, but Pluto is making it more of a moon. It's hard to explain. I'm not making this so scientific because I don't want to. And apparently this video's been on for now an hour. I'm looking at this now. An hour, 3 minutes, and 15 seconds. So, yeah. Let's finish up this video. And Pluto, pretty barren, not much stuff to it. And the sun's not up as I'm turning day because I want to see it look like day on Pluto. Probably is the sun because it's so dim. See, that sun right there. You can barely even see it. It's so like just non-visible. You barely even see it. And then there's Charon, of course. The light, you barely even get here. It's still like cold and like barren. Not the best place to be at. I'm not sure they're burning up. Probably not. Because you don't burn, probably won't be able to burn up on colder planets. Because non-mobs die to the sun. Overall. Well, colder planets do not make sense to happen because it's cold, so they won't burn up to the sun. I don't know, maybe dying to their space suits kind of suck. I don't really know. We're leaving, going to Haumea, which apparently has rings. I know. Crazy, right? Dwarf planet having rings. Oh, it's not even spherical. It's like oval. But, 3D. I'm not sure what you call them. I'm not sure what you call a 3D oval. But either way, leaving now. Leaving this planet. Actually, not planet. Dwarf planet. Not calling Pluto planet. Pluto's not a planet. It's a dwarf planet. Leaving Pluto. And I'm not sure why the solar system has a weird yellow tint to it. Okay. You see here we have the Kuiper Belt 2. We could go to the Kuiper Belt and the Astro Belt later. But right now, Haumea. Also, why it's not a planet. Of course, it's good size. And because probably because its shape and its orbit. If you look here, its orbit intersects with Neptune's orbit. I think. Yeah, it does. Around here. And then exits the Kuiper Belt too. So odd orbit. Either way, launching here now. Finally, it changes its picture thing. See its rings? It's like, it's a ring. Yeah, it's pretty much a ring. It's like thin, not much. And I don't know what the sun is. It's probably too small, you can see. Either way. Oh, yeah, it's over there. It's a tiny sun. Tiny miniature sun. And its rings. It's about Haumea, looks like. I'm not sure I'm saying its name right. One place I saw this last year. So I'm bored. Doesn't really belong here. Its gravity sucks. All these dwarf planets. So these asteroids coming out of nowhere. I don't like it. Dude, it just kind of freaks me out a bit. It just comes out of nowhere and freaks me out. Don't ask what I'm doing. I'm trying to do something. I don't really know what I'm doing though. Oh. Our rocket really got placed on here. It's kind of crazy. Wonder what that mess is. Not the red one. The mess. That's the Milky Way. The galaxy that we're actually in right now. It's like it's all around us because we're in it. Other stuff too, nebulas, and like galaxies in the sky. I just feel like no one's actually hearing me because it's so loud when we leave the planet. But, yeah. Let's go to. Actually, complete all the main stuff. I'm not going to other solar systems in this vid. I'm just not. But my main question though is how these stars are bigger than this star right here, able to rotate around this. Weird. It's weird. And that's just also so we're not really going to it either way. I just had an entire moment where I'm not talking at all right now. I was like trying to think right now. Don't know what I was like thinking about. Okay, now Kuiper Belt. Pretty much just cold asteroids. Does not have much light. And they need to use light blocks. Like, see how there's like light shining on there? Pretty sure that's light blocks. Let me go inside it. There's something inside it. Oh, it's ice. Pretty much barren asteroids. Oh, wait, my keys. My keys are broken. Help me, dude. My keys. Am I gonna get infected into something? So I'm getting sucked into something. Bro, what's happening? My keyboard keys are broken or something. Crap. I think space is becoming plain space. That's like pulling on me. Okay, I need to pull down randomly. Okay, let's stop here. If you're on an asteroid now, it kind of pulls you down a bit. Wait a minute. Honestly, no, I'm DM flyer now. Like, you can just jump up that, like, I'm not sure I'm in creative mode right now for some reason. Slash game mode S. Oh, yeah. Game. I'm cooked. Crap, dude, I'm cooked. Wait. Oh, there's an S. Oh, yeah. Crap. Yeah. Okay, try going towards asteroid. You're not getting pulled in. Crap, dude. Alright, I think just get quiet. Oh, that's my thing. And also, string and sound somehow still working here. Okay, what's my rocket gear? Get my rockets again. Put this down here. And then doing this. And doing this. There. And then don't think I'm actually doing it like this, okay? I'm gonna launch like this because there's literally blocks on top of it. So I'm gonna start digging a hole going up. Which take a while and it's gonna be wasting time, but I am bored and absolutely nothing to do in this video. So I'm just gonna be digging through ice for a bit. Come on. This is a lot. Okay, come on. almost done with this. Then we can blast off out of here. I'm not sure why I'm wasting my time doing this. I could just go on top of the surface and fly off. The zombie's bigger than the Enderman. I thought I pulled in by something. Oh my god. Down like this, because there's no gravity really. It acts weird. Also, my microphone kind of sucks. I'm using like literal headphone microphones, so I don't see anything weird. The microphone noises, it's normal. And also, I am being a bit stupid. No, I'm gonna stop wasting my time actually doing what I'm supposed to do. Crap. No. We're not doing this. Getting pulled in by something again. I say this zombie's taller than me. I'm pretty sure it's not accurate. Zombies are not taller than me. But I forgot, like, they get growth on space. Like a creeper's taller than me too. Interesting. Okay, we're leaving now. I'm leaving. I just don't want to be here anymore. Get out of here, big creeper. I'm leaving now. We're leaving. Say goodbye. And we're going to the Astral Belt next. And then we're going to overworld this thing. Or somewhere else, I don't know. Okay, remember I said I was search up something? Well, I forgot what I was gonna search up. So, how about you guys go do that? You guys can go do that, right? I expect you guys can go do that, because you search up something. So I go to that point in the video where I said I was search up something, and you guys can search it up. That seemed like a good idea, because I don't remember it. And if I try to go back and recording, I'm technically editing my video, which I'm not doing yet. But we're going to Asheville next. Fine, I'll go there, but like it's pretty much like the same as the Kuiper Belt, but like not really any ice. And of course, Ceres. Ceres is a dwarf planet, but also the smallest dwarf planet. Crap, the gravity. No, it's not getting pulled in by something. I think this is like one of those alien things. I don't know. Fake alien things. Aliens are fake. Now we're just gonna create a launching pad right on here. And then blast off. I want to do this place. I actually want to end this video now because I'm getting bored of this video. Because I don't want to be doing this video for an hour. You would agree, you won't watch this for an hour, and this is kind of cool, just flying by. You'd agree, we won't watch this for an hour, would you? So I'm letting you guys, I've been telling you guys to skip some parts. So yeah, I'm fine with skip, it depends if I get more views. Let's leave this asteroid belt full of millions of asteroids. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Biased to the asteroid belt. Oh crap! Oh wait, I forgot you turn it. You turn it. Okay. My special thing I said I was gonna do. I don't know. And if you're wondering, I was going to Ceres. You really want to go Ceres? Like, the thing is, Ceres is probably all it is like rock. That's literally all it is. Rock. Plain rock. Plain boring rock that we don't want to go to. I'm also not all sure why Ceres is circular. And other planets are like square. Weird, right? But just land in the overworld. Wonder why there's a space station. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I created a new world. Maybe it adds a space station from your old world. I don't know. Here, we're on Earth now. But for this special thing we're gonna do, I've come up with an idea. So I'm gonna like go to the Nether roof. Wait. Crap. I'm not sure the Nether exists in this old version. I'm not sure the Nether came out during the Nether update. So this is gonna be something. But we're gonna try going to the Nether. Might be stupid, I'm not sure I know I'm doing it at all. Probably won't work. But let's try. Because this version is kinda old. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Nether does not exist in this version. Oh. It does. The shape is off. Actually made like a shape. When it came in this. I think the Nether update just made the Nether look better. It's probably what the Nether update did. It made it look better. And not like much netherrack. I mean netherrack not like puke. So let's go to Nether roof. And go to space. It's such a weird thing to do. Because you're in the Nether trying to go to space. What planet would you think you're on? It's a main interesting question. So let's go. People say the Nether is inside the Earth. The overworld. Maybe we'll see something. I don't know. Let's just leave. Wait, it thinks we're on Earth. It thinks we're on Earth. Look at the left of the screen. Mystery forces are at play, and the gyroscopes are spinning wildly. It probably not going to go to space on the Nether roof. We're just in the Nether. Not let you do that. But a question could be the end. People say like the end is kind of like the moon. I don't agree with because it's more of an asteroid. But we're going to an end. Let me go to the overworld first. Wait a minute, one question. No way is possible. Right, shut up. Okay, that's not possible either. I don't know how this was possible. Oh wait a minute. I think it was bigger than that. it was this. And here's the overworld. And we are going to go to the end. Let's search up the end portal frames. I have Ender. We're going to the end, and I'm not sure if we can do this easily. Old version, because old version is weird. Because it's not what we're used to. Alright. Has to be placed in a certain way. Like a certain shape, I think. Or not way, shape. But like, in a certain way, has to face a certain side. I did something wrong. Okay, I placed it all down right. How? The density. What meant stronghold? I'm stupid. Locate. There. TP / TP at S to negative 2072. Let's do 100 and 472. That's kind of far. 100 was appropriate. Did I do it right? Definitely put it in right. I spelled it right. Okay, good. It's right here. It's right next to it. Okay, let's go here. / game mode C. Then let's do this. Oops. Must be solid, but I sadly have limits in playing games because I have strict parents. I was at the end of my recording. Woohoo! We're going to the end. Okay, the end of the video. We'll see if we can go to space from the end. We couldn't go from the Nether. Let's see, it'll be the same at the end. And craft its slab here. And dragon's slab is fudge. So we're not focusing on the Ender Dragon because we're not beating the game. We are going to space. Actually, the Ender Dragon has bodies breaks the rocket ship. Funny. Yep, same message. We're not allowed to. My thinking is, well, I can't leave here. Too bad, so sad. and bye, everyone. I posted a while. It's so you guys' relief. So I finally can post now. So yeah, have a good day, everyone, and be chill. Oh, let's end the video. I'm gonna add a bit more time to it. So I want this to be an hour and 31 minutes long. Yeah. I put a Q&A in my post, but like, I'm not sure because I'm barely unpopular, but like, I have 7 subscribers, so I feel like someone should be able to put something in the Q&A. I've been being a lot of goals recently, and one of my videos just hit 100 views. Actually, one of my shorts hit 330 views. Crazy thing is, I already hit 1 minute and 31 minutes. 1 hour and 31 minutes, but I'm gonna say more, okay? And my channel hit a total views of 600. The total views goal was 300. I've become popular over time, and I'm actually doing pretty good with it. My subscribers count is not the best. We can be real about that. I don't know any other ideas I can do. If they can start playing other games than Minecraft, I might play Roblox. I used to play Roblox a lot when I was little, but like, after all the stuff about Schlep and stuff, I don't want to play Roblox. And also, I think it's childish game, especially a game that's coming out like Steel Brain or not. And people say Grow Garden's a good game. It's Forsaken. I'm not really much. I don't really feel like I like it because I see videos of it. I don't feel like if it's like a childish game, I wouldn't play it. But there are some good OG games I like on there. There's one, Tornado Alley Ultimate. That's an amazing game. I love playing that game for a while on Roblox. We got what was the other good one? Maybe not old, but there's just one space game I like playing. And some other good stuff on there. Actual good games that are actually OG and stuff. Or just pretty good and stuff. And yeah, I'm ending up this video now. Have a good day, everyone. Bye, 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 and be chill, like you always should be.